Hi friends, my name is Akash. Welcome to our channel Electrical Tech. Friends, today topic is what is a register and type of registers, connection of register color coding, register power rating. So, what is a register? A register is a passive two-terminal electrical component that has implement electrical resistance as a circuit element. The ratio of voltage applied across a resistor terminals to the intensity of the current through the circuit is called resistance. This relation is represented by Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR. Unit and symbol. The ohm is the SI unit of electrical resistance named after the scientist George Simon Ohm. An ohm is equivalent to a volt per ampere. Type of resistors. There are two types of resistors. First one is fixed resistor. Second one is variable resistor. In fixed resistor, the subtypes are carbon composite resistor, film resistor, wire wound resistor, resistance wire. In variable resistor, first one is rheostat, second one is potentiometer, third one is thermostat, fourth one is thermistor, fifth one is varistor, and sixth one is photoresistor. So in fixed carbon composite resistor, the carbon composite resistor have low inductance. It is ideal for high frequency applications, very cheap to make, and it has very large tolerance. The second one is film resistor. The resistive value of the resistor is controlled by increasing the desired thickness of the deposited film. Resistance up to 10 mega ohm can be obtained by using film resistors. It have tolerance of 1% or less than 1%. So third one is wire wound resistor. It is made by winding a thin metal alloy wire onto an insulating ceramic former in the form of a spiral helix. It is available in very low ohmic and high precision values from 0.01 to 100 kilo ohm. Third one is rheostat. Rheostat is an adjustable resistor used in applications that require adjustment of current or varying the resistance in electric circuit. A special type of rheostat is the potentiometer. The fourth one is potentiometer. A potentiometer is a pot in electronics technology is three-terminal resistor with a sliding contact that forms an adjustable voltage divider. Potentiometers are commonly used to control electrical devices such as volume controls, joysticks, etc. Thermistor. A thermistor is a type of resistor whose resistance varies significantly with temperature. Thermistors can be used as current limiting devices for circuit protection as replacement for fuses. Humistor. A humistor is a type of resistor whose resistance varies significantly with humidity. We know that it is dependent on atmospheric humidity. A humidity sensor measures the humidity level by measuring the change in the resistance of an element. Varistor. A varistor or voltage dependent resistor. Its function is to conduct significantly increased current when voltage is excessive. Photoresistor. A photoresistor or light dependent resistor. It is also known as LDR. Exhibit photoconductivity. Photoresistors in many conductors items such as street light, clock, radio alarms, devices, etc. The second point is series connection of resistor. These are the series connection of resistor like R1, R2 to Rn. The equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2 plus dash 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 plus Rn. In series connection, the current remains constant, and in the series connection, voltage adds. This is the diagram of parallel connection of equivalent resistance. So is defined as 1 upon Req is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus dash 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 plus 1 upon Rn. In parallel connection, the voltage remains constant. And also in parallel connection, currents adds. Third point is register color code. So friends, this is the register color code. By using color coding, we can find the value of any register. This is the color code table of register. Power rating of an register. Register power rating. The power rating of a register can be calculated using the formula power P is equal to V into I is equal to I square into R is equal to V square upon R. The larger the power rating, the greater the physical size of the register. When used in AC circuit, the AC impedance of a resistor is equal to its DC resistance. Thank you friends. Before watching the video, please subscribe.